we are going to do a simple experiment with 2 eggs. This experiment explains inertia. Okay. Now I will take an egg and I will spin it. Okay. In index finger I will stop it. But also it is spinning. The shell is stopped, but inside the yolk and the white is spinning. Because of that, the egg is spinning. And I will take another egg and I will spin it and I will keep my index finger. But this is stopped. For this experiment, first I took raw egg, second is boiled egg. This experiment explained about inertia. Thank you, friends.